Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to reset your Chrome browser settings to their original default. To start off, click on this three dots menu, select settings, and in the settings in left panel you have option called as reset settings. Select it. Here you can see restore settings to their original default. Click on it and it will open this dialog box where you need to click on the confirmation reset setting. Before that, I would recommend you to read this sentence which says that what things will be reset. So your startup page, new tab pages, search engines and other settings will be reverted back to the original default, and it will also disable the extensions and it will clear the temporary data like cookies and caches. However, the bookmarks, histories and save password will not be cleared, and it will also log you out from the signed in account that are there in your browser. So I would recommend you to use this setting only if it is utmost required and if your browser is facing a lot of issues and is giving you trouble. Unless then, there is no need to reset your settings. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.